Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because we are going to be breaking down the new OFRA by Samantha March collection. This is, I believe, her third collaboration with OFRA. If you guys don't know who Samantha is, she is another beauty YouTuber. She does lots of reviews on her channel. She has an awesome channel. I'm going to link it in the description box down below. If you, for some reason, are not familiar with her, you can go check her out. You'll love her. I met Samantha a couple of years ago. I had her on the podcast, and then she had me on her podcast, and then when I was living in Vegas, she came out to Las Vegas and we got together. We did a meetup with Michelle Wong, Risa Does Makeup, and she's just as sweet in real life as she is on YouTube. So I'm really excited for her. So that is what we're doing today. We're going to break down this collection. So if you guys would like to see it in action, see swatches, watch me create this look, and hear my thoughts, then keep on watching. All right, you guys, so here is the box. This is the PR box. It has her name, Samantha March, and it has some illustrations on the front. It's really cute. It says Life's a Draft and Sam Squad on it. The collection is the Life's a Draft mini mix palette and the hashtag Sam Squad lip gloss trio. So when you open up the box, she's got a little note here. And then on the other side, there is some illustrations of the collection. And she has a little sheet of stickers on here that I think is so cute. She has her dog on there. Really cute. We have the Life's a Draft mini mix palette. This is $39. You get 8 shadows and 3 face powders. She has a new highlight here called Dream Chaser and a bronzer and a blush. And I know she's obsessed with purple shades, so makes sense that she would do a purple palette. It's really pretty. And then next we have the hashtag Sam Squad lip gloss trio, and this is $29. These shades look really pretty. You have Queen, which is a peachy coppery nude, and Millie, it's a pearlescent shimmer. And then we have Peony, which is a shimmering pink rose. I'm going to insert swatches so we can take a look at the shades. You can also purchase the PR box for $59. It launches March 29th at 1 p.m. on OFRAcosmetics.com. Let's create an eye look, shall we? I do obviously have all the rest of my products on: foundation, concealer, powder, and my brows done. First shade I'm gonna go into is the matte shade on the top, which is Ram. I might get the names wrong just because they're on the back and it's backwards. I always have a tough time with that. So I'm taking this deep purple and I'm just going to go ahead and stamp it on my outer corner. I actually did prime my lids with concealer and powder beforehand, and I'm using a new concealer from Kevyn Aucoin. I don't think it's actually new, but it's new to me, and I will be doing a video on some new Kevyn Aucoin products. I like this color. Purple is just so pretty. It's pretty on just about everybody. All right, so I'm going to take a dome shaped brush and I'm going to take that same color and I'm just going to carry it down onto my lower lash line. I think we're gonna do smoky eye. I think it's safe to say. I'm gonna go into the shade Peace, which is this one here. I'm going to stamp that on the edges to start blending them. I'm gonna carry that shade in. Oh, it just like did all of the blending for me. I've never actually used OFRA shadows before. So this is a pleasant surprise. They're really very blendable. All right, so now I'm gonna take a clean brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and buff those edges. Is anybody else like itching to travel, like dying inside because they want to travel so badly? Leave me a comment and let me know, where is the first place that you are going to travel as soon as you can? Like as soon as all restrictions are lifted and you can get on a plane, where's the first place you're going? Or the first place you want to go? Now I'm going to take the shade 909 and I'm going to further blend with that shade. It's a little bit lighter. The sun just went behind the clouds, so I had to brighten up my lights. All right, so back to what we were doing. Should I cut the crease? Maybe I will. Why not? I haven't done a cut crease in a while. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of concealer on this tiny little brush. Okay, I lost my sound there at one point, and I don't know where. Just a quick recap. I cut the crease with concealer, and I placed the highlighter, which is called Dream Chaser, on my lid. Picking back up where we left off, I am going to take the shade Maya, which is this shade here, and I'm going to wet that, kind of like a rosy color. And I'm just going to place that right here. Not quite in the inner corner, but sort of still on that side of center. It's a very soft, like a soft pinky rose shade, but it's pretty. And I'm going to go in with this shade here called Ink, and this is the deepest shade in the palette, but it is shimmer. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to marry the baby pink with the deeper purple right here. So we have a nice gradient from the highlighter to the Maya shade to Ink to Honors. And then with my finger, I'm just going to take some and sort of blend it in to Maya just to fade it in. And the same on the outer. Oh, she's pretty. That's pretty. All right, so I'm just going to, I want to just soften. I know I cut my crease, but I just want to soften it just a hair. All right, so that's it for the lid. I am going to go ahead and take some of Peace and 09 mixed together, and I'm going to just do the rest of my lower lash line. Just further smoke that out. I think I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to throw on some liner and lashes, and we'll be right back to do bronzer, blush, and the lip. All right, so my lashes are on. I did go in my waterline with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Elk Line. The lashes are Pure Cosmetics Barbie collaboration. I have used, where's my mirror? I have used these lashes 30 times maybe. I think I got these lashes in November or December, and I've used them so many times, but I think this is the last time. They're on their last leg. I think we're done now. But wow, that's probably, these lashes are probably the longest lasting lashes I've ever used. Okay, so I want to go back and finish off the face. So I'm going to go in with the bronzer, and I'm gonna take my little angled contouring brush. What is it called? The large angled from Luxie, and I'm going to take this shade, which is Key. I'm gonna just go ahead and bronze up the old face. I really like the way the eyes came out. I like these colors. This bronzer is really nice too. I like the shade. So I'm going to go in with this blush 6. I don't know if it's a blush or a blush topper, but... Oh yeah, it's a blush. It's a blush. It's really pretty. Wow. Yeah, that's really pretty. Oh, wow. Really pretty. I really like that. I'm going to pop on the Dream Chaser highlight. Ooh. Oh. Whoa. This highlighter is a beamin'. Yeah, this is, you know, in true OFRA form. Blinding. Look at that. What? Beautiful. All right, so I'm just going to melt those together with a little setting spray. Then I'm going to line my lips. We're going to use, I know, super shocking, the Colorish Matte Lip Liner, and that's it. This one's perfect because it has a purple undertone to it. So then I'm just going to pop on one of the glosses. I'm going to take the Peony Gloss. Ooh, this is a nice gloss. Wow, that's really pretty. So juicy. Wow. Yeah. I like it. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished look. I turned my lights down because I feel like it's getting gloomy outside. The light is all over the place per usual, so I think it was getting a little bit blown out. But here is the finished look. I really love it. I really love the way that the eyes came out. I love the gloss. Love the cheek products. The blush is so pretty. The highlight is beaming. The bronzer is super pretty. I mean, what else can I say? I think she did an excellent job on the collection. Congratulations to Samantha. Did a great job. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the collection, what you think about this makeup look. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you never miss when I upload a video. You can follow me on social. My handle's @GLAMLATTE. And don't forget the Glam Latte Beauty Podcast is everywhere you listen to podcasts. All the details are in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you.